Some bad news for Nevada residents. According to a new study, the Silver State is the riskiest place for victims of identity theft. 8 News Now anchor Christiane Klein is on your side tonight with the details.
Well, Denise, this survey used FBI data to look at a few major metrics: the average loss per victim and per capita, and the risk of becoming a victim in each state in the country. Overall, Nevada is #1. Take a look at this list from USSecureLife.com. There we are on top with an average loss per victim of almost $6,000. And while that isn't the highest amount per victim on the list, this is where we really stand out. Dollars lost per capita at 86 cents and victims per 100,000 people at more than 14. Many of the highest population states reported the highest overall dollars lost in the survey. Our state is actually an exception with the highest losses per capita by a large margin. And here's where we improved slightly. ID theft victims here lost an average of that nearly $6,000 per case. That is the 7th highest in the country. Ohio ranks #1 for losses per ID theft at nearly $14,000 each. In all, our state lost $2.58 million to identity thieves in 2017 per state, and per capita, that is more than double the next highest amount lost. Back to you guys.
First, they're trying to steal our Social Security numbers. Now this.
A lot to keep an eye on, isn't there?
It's a lot of moving parts.